Hey guys, how are you? I am here for you by taking the website of an insurance and its name is www.investopdi.com. So here I am for you because of we know that what will think done in our future we don't know, right? So pre-preparation is good for our future. So today I am taking you one of the insurance that you will help you and some little help from me I will give you. So let's get started and log in this website. Insurance definition, Investopedia. So first we have to log in this, and its first question is what is insurance, right? So insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives financial protection against the losses from an insurance company. The company holds clients' risk to make a payment more affordable for the insured. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial losses, both big and small, that may result from damage to the insured or her property from the liability for damage or injury caused to the third party, right? So here are some basic concepts which this website want to give you, that how insurance works in your life. So there is a multitude of different types of insurance policy available, and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. The most common types of personal insurance policy are auto, health, homeowners, and life. Most individuals in the United States have at least one of this type of insurance, and car insurance is required by law. Now this is some key takeaways. So insurance is a contract in which an insurer another against losses from specific contingency or perils. There are many types of insurance losses like life, health, homeowners, and auto are the most common forms of insurance. And these are some introduction part of this website. So businesses require special type of insurance policies that insure against specific type of a risk faced by a particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant needs a policy that covers damage or injury that occurs as the result of a cook with a deep fryer. An auto dealer is not subject of this type of risk but does require coverage for damage or injury that could occur during test drives. This is the important. In order to select the best policy for you or your family, it is important to pay attention to the three critical components of most insurance policies: the deductible, premium, and policy limited, right? These are some main features of this insurance, that insurance policy components. A firm understanding of this concept goes to a long way in helping you choose the policy that best suits your need. For instance, whole life insurance may or may not be the right type of insurance for you. There are three components of any type of insurance: premium, policy limited, and deductible. Take that are you cruel. Premium. What's the premium of this insurance? A policy premium is its price, typically expressed as a monthly cost. The premium is determined by the insurer based on their own or yours business risk profile, which may include creditworthiness. So basic meaning of insurance means it helps you when you get just lost it and no one helped you. So insurance help will that time, right? So that's the main point of this website. So first we see that complete risk free with 10 means $100 in virtual cash, right? Then 100,000. Wow, this is the biggest price. Introduction to auto insurance. Auto insurance is purchased by vehicle owners to mitigate costs associated with getting into an auto accident. Personal line insurance. Personal line insurance includes property and casualty insurance products that protect individuals from losses they couldn't cover on their own. What is comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance is a car insurance. See, that covers the damage of your car from causes other than a collision. Now, these are some basic things that how riders work. A rider is an insurance policy provision that adds the benefits or to amends the coverage or terms of the basic insurance policy. Then these are some articles which is related to the insurance policy, and this is from the Vanshita. And please subscribe our channel at the Dipal Joshi, and please support us. Please guys, we need more support from us. I have a comment that please make a video on insurance, so I think I have to give you more information about this insurance. So I have to check some other insurance companies like in other websites. So we have to do in wikipedia.org. So let's take some insurance important in that website. So insurance involves pulling funds, right? So an entity which provides insurance is known as an insurer, an insurer company, an insurer carrier, or an underwriter. A person or an entity who buys the insurer is known as the insured or a policy holder. Means these are some basic definitions that what is insurance is covered by. And let's take some examples like these are some insurance companies like reinsurance, then finite risk insurance, etc. Then let's do some other work about the insurance policy. That what are the policy of insurance? Let's log in that. So the insurance policy is a contract between the insurer and the policy holder, right, which determines the claim which is the insurer is legally required to pay. In exchange for an initial payment known as the premium, the insurer promised to pay for loss caused by the perils covered under the policy language. Insurance contracts are designed to meet specific needs and thus have many features not found in many other types of contract. Since insurance policies are standard forms, they feature boilerplate language which is similar across a wide variety of the different types of insurance policies. The insurance policy is generally an integrated contract, meaning that it includes all the forms associated with the agreement between the insurer and insurer. In some cases, however, supplementary writings such as letters sent after the final agreement can make the insurance policy a non-integrated contract. One insurance textbook states that generally courts consider all the prior negotiations or agreement, every contractual term in the policy at the time of delivery. So here